My dear learner, how are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. You know that we had discussed about preposition in the last class. Now we are going to discuss use of preposition. At first, we see the use of in and at. In, at. Before large locality, in will be imposed and at will be used before a small area. Example, he lives in Dhaka. He lives in Dhaka. Number 2, she lives at Mahakali. She lives at Mahakali. Mahakali in Dhaka. In Dhaka. Dhaka. In this sentence, in, at, in are preposition. Number 2, on, in, at. On, in, at. On will be used before day or date. In will be used before month or year. At will be used before definite time. Example, he came here on Sunday. He came here on Sunday. In this sentence, on is preposition. B, in. She got the job in January. She got the job in January. January. Here is in is preposition. Number 3, I shall meet you at 5 o'clock. I shall meet you at 5 o'clock. In this sentence, at is preposition. Now we are going to our next step. Number 3, in, after. In, after. In is used in future tense. After is used in past tense. Example, she will come in a week. She will come in a week. In this sentence, in is preposition. Number 2, he did it after 2 months. He did it after 2 months. After 2 months. Here is after. is preposition. Number 4, between, among. Between, among. Between, among. When anything indicating duplex between will be imposed there. Among will be imposed when it's indicating more than 2. Example, divide the mangoes between the 2 girls. Divide the mangoes between the 2 boys. Here is the between is preposition. Number 2, distribute the apples among the boys. Distribute the apples among the among the boys. Here is the among. Here is the among is preposition. Five, in, to. In, to. In will be imposed when indicating within limit. To will be imposed when indicating out of control. Example, Kumilla Zilla School is in the heart of the town. Kumilla Zilla School. School is in the heart of the town. Here is the in is preposition. Number 2, the Sundarbans is to the southwest of Bangladesh. The Sundarbans is to the southwest of Bangladesh. And dear students, I hope all of you can understand the lesson properly. You will practice the lesson at home again and again. No more today. We will discuss another item of grammar in next class. Thank you very much.